Oh, that's wonderful. Right on the mirror. Whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey, and today we are doing this makeup look. So I sat down to film a get ready with me, and basically let me just spill some tea for you guys, okay? Let me scoot in a little closer. Get ready with me's are basically when you have nothing else to film. I forgot to use this. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Okay, I really didn't think I would like that, but I do. Anyways, so you just seen me use that because I totally forgot to use that in this here video. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and the products that I used to create this look, just keep watching this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That would be greatly appreciated. But anyways, without any further ado, let's go ahead and just jump on into this video. And I got some Cover FX stuff to use. I got some of the glitter drops. They're blue. And then I also got a Cover FX Shimmering Veil eyeshadow. This is in the color Halo. And I also got a Brow Precise micro pencil from Maybelline. But the colors they had, man, I got soft brown. We'll see how well this works, so let me take this out of here. Getting that thing out of the package was hell. Whoa, that thing like shot out. That comes out so easy. This color looks like it'd be alright. So this is, like I said, the Brow Precise and Soft Brown. Comes with a spoolie. I'm gonna throw on my brows and see how well this works. Okay. I see you, Maybelline. I see you. Oh, I broke it. I ain't mad at you. What if we just walked around with our brows like this? I'm just gonna take some of this. I don't like that that's watery and coming out like that. Gee whiz, guy. Gee whiz. Oh, that's wonderful. Right on the mirror. Whatever. I'm going to take this 102 BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to just apply that all over my eyeball. Just taking it straight off the mirror. What can you do? Okay, so moving right along, I'm gonna change my battery real quick. I'm kind of like just going all in right now. So I'm just taking High Tide right here from the Lorac Ocean Sunset Unzipped palette, and I am just putting that in my crease. Beautimus! Beautimus! And I'm going to go into my Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this color right here. I will leave the name on the bottom of the screen because I cannot say that to save my life. Take my M.O.R.E M506 brush with that same color, or with that color on it. And I'm going to start by packing that into my crease. And I'm going to take this this E17 brush by M.O.R.E, and I'm just going to softly blend those edges. Like so. It looks really crazy, but it'll be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Alright, so now that that's all blended out, it's not looking really that great, but it's fine. So I took a makeup wipe and I like kind of wiped off any like pigment that was on my lid, so that way when I put more concealer on, did I just fuck that up? So that way when I put concealer on, it's not like super El Pacho and blue concealer, because I don't want blue concealer. I'm just going to take this little bit left on the back of my hand and this little concealer brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to carve out my lids. So now that that is set, cut, all that jazz, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up my mess. I'm going to take the Cover FX Shimmery Veil liquid shit and I'm going to start putting that where I cut the crease. Okay, that's a lot intense. I don't care for that. So I'm gonna get these Stila glitter drop thingies in Freedom, this blue one, and I'm gonna take this M.O.R.E eyeliner brush, and I'm literally just gonna take some off of this. And I'm going to just put that where that line is for the crease. Okay, now that that's done, I'm really... This look is just... It took a turn for the worst. Let me try to put some eyeliner on. We'll see if that makes it look any better, because I'm not digging this at all. So I'm going to use my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner that I just got in my BoxyCharm. This is the Ink Black List eyeliner. And I'm going to use this Royal and Langnickel brush. This is the Pink Essentials Detail Liner 211. I really like this eyeliner. Okay, so it looks a little bit better with the wing. Still not super in love with this look or nothing, but like I said, it does look better with the wing. We'll see what it looks like once I get my lashes and stuff on and the rest of my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye off camera real quick and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm done with the eyes for a minute. I'm gonna actually go into I'm going to take my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I'm going to take some of this and prime my face. This just makes everything, so blurred and so beautiful. Like your skin just looks flawless. By the way, I just want to say I'm sorry if you can hear my air conditioning in the background and any other noises, because it's too hot to be trying to record with no air. Okay. So I'm going to take my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the color Shell. I have not used this for a while. And I'm going to just swipe that on my face. And because this color is a little too like on the golden side for me and like a little too dark, I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of this Maybelline, what is this called? I think Super Stay Foundation. Like I'm just taking a little bit. And I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender and I'm gonna start pumping that in. So now that that's done, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the color C1. And I'm gonna highlight with this. So I'm gonna take this Coty Airspun Extra Translucent powder. Oh my god, every time. I'm wearing black, yo. I whistled. And I'm going to set that in place. Now taking a fluffy brush, I'm taking the same powder. And I'm just going to press that all over my face. Now that that is everywhere, we're going to move on. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here to contour my face. And then taking the color right next to it, which is this shade, I'm going to use that to bronze with my PK4 brush from M.O.R.E. And now I'm going to open up this Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to take the color B right here. And just give my cheeks a good flush of color. And then I'm going to go with Zoba, this pink shimmery shade right here in the middle. And I'm going to use that as my highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter, this loose highlighter, Moon Tears, because the other one was just a little too dark for me. And I'm going to put that right where I put the other one. I love this stuff. It makes you just look like you have a wet sheen to your skin. But if you don't blend it in good enough, you will see that shit. Let's go back to the eyes real fast. I'm going to use this Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, and I'm going to go back into High Tide right here. And I'm going to sweep that underneath my lower lash line. And then taking this BH Cosmetics 105 brush, I'm going to take the color Stingray right here from the same palette. And I'm going to just put that about halfway in, starting on the outer corner. Stopping right after my pupil. And then taking this Eco Tools brush, I don't know what it's called. I'm going to use the color Mother of Pearl from this palette, this white shade right here. And I'm going to mix just a tiny bit of salt water in it, which is the greenish shade next to it. Then I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone. So moving right along, I am just going to use my current favorite mascara that I have been loving, which is not that. Anyway, I'm going to use some of the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, and then on the bottom I'm going to use Benefit's Roller Lash. So I forgot eyeliner. Yeah, I forgot freaking eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips while this is drying. I'm gonna just use this Urban Decay liquid lipstick, Vice liquid lipstick in the color Back Talk. I'm gonna take the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the color Private, which is a deep blue, and I'm going to line my waterline and tight line with this. And the final thing is I'm going to take this Pure Miracle Mist spray, and I am going to set it and forget it. Alright guys, so this is it for the final look. I like it, don't get me wrong. but I'm not like obsessed with it. I feel like that Cover FX, the little these things, the shimmering veil stuff, like kinda, I don't know, it like when I went a little overboard with it. It's not perfect by no means. I feel like if I would have just used that blue Stila liquid stuff on top of my eyes, that would have looked a little bit better. Or this would look better if it was like a half cut crease rather than a full cut crease, but it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys show me some love down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!